Hi everyone, it's Karen and I'm here with a quick unboxing. I recently placed an order for an Interleaved Bible for myself. I want to do some Bible art journaling and I want to be able to use full pages for doing the artwork. So I hunted around, found a decent sale or a decent price on this one, and of all the different ones I had seen, this one just really, I love the look of it. So oodles of packing, and here we go. Packing slip out from underneath. Box out from underneath. The white's blending into the white. The ESV Journaling Bible, the Interleaved edition. Oh, there's the strap. I was wondering what that was. How to attach the strap. Oh, I love the feel of it. Now, get that out of the way. Oh, I love the feel of that. We'll take a look through and then let's get the strap attached. Here's a bit of a view of the spine. I'm not sure how. Probably everyone is completely familiar with this Bible, but this is the first time I've had my hands on it. Oh, it smells yummy. I love the smell of leather. So to me this is just another bonus of this gorgeous thing. Even the feel of this piece of paper is nice. English Standard or ESV. Preface, some of the features, and then into the Old Testament. So, and with the Interleaved, as you're all familiar, there's one page of text and then a full blank page for doing either notes or journaling notes, any kind of artwork, whether you want to work with acrylics, watercolor, pen, any of that. So, oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm so excited to get started with this. I think I'm going to actually get started on it today. I think I'll post this video first and then move on and do my first entry in here, and I'll videotape my very first entry in here. Let's just take a peek for the beginning of the New Testament. There we go. It has one bookmark. Let's see what's at the back. So that's the product number. Oh, and then the biblical units that they talk about, monetary units. And a guide for reading the Bible through in a year. And this one is set so that you read once through the Old Testament, twice through the Psalms, and twice through the New Testament. So it gives you the Old Testament reading, the Psalm, and New Testament reading. And then we have just a couple pages just at the very end. Oh, and a little pen loop. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that was there. Okay, let's figure out how to get the strap in place. How to attach a strap to your journaling Bible. Okay, remove the strap from packaging. Thread one end of the strap through the front of the Bible. Let's close it. Oh, I love it. Trying to thread this through left hand, but that's not working. Okay, tie a knot on the front end. Okay, oops. I got it twisted already. All kinds of little fluffadoodles coming out of here. And then just that's not real. All kinds of fluff coming off the tie. There we go. Oh, it's from the, you can see the mark from the pen loop. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm so excited to get started on this. I think what I'll do is I'll post this quick little video of the unboxing of this gorgeous Bible, and then I will get another video going, and I'll post that in a couple days where I show you my very first entry into this beauty. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye now.